On the dashboard of Claude. As I said in my last video, on the left hand side you see different options like new chat, chats, projects and artifacts. We are going to see that in detail when we actually create the dynamic website. Okay, so this is the place where you have to actually give your prompt to create the website, the actual website. The way we have some best practices for ChatGPT, almost similar practices are there for Claude also. But to be honest, I use Claude for more. I use Claude more often for generating code. So what happens is when you try to generate code using Claude, it may be that it creates a lot complex logic which is not understandable by a normal programmer, you can say beginner programmer. So the things which we need to take care when you actually prompt Claude is that you need to tell Claude very clearly that how it should actually generate the code for you. It should not be complex. It should not use let's say if you don't want to use a MVC architecture, then you need to tell Claude that I don't want to use any MVC architecture. I want a simple code in PHP. I don't want any authentication. I don't want any CSRF tokens to be generated. The database should be very simple to understand. It should be like I should be able to debug the program or the code once I have actually it on my local machine. If the file is too lengthy, then it should be given to me in chunks, or you can say in parts, so that the number of tokens which actually allow us to be generated means what, that when you actually ask something to an LLM, let's say if it is a chat GPT or a Claude, it uses tokens to generate the answer, and sometimes you surpass those tokens and therefore you not be able to get the full file. So you should actually generate the file in chunks so that you have the complete file with you and the code is not broken, right? Just to give you an example, let's say that I want a landing page developed in HTML, CSS and JS for my academy. GenCode Academy. Okay, so again you can actually say consider you are a expert web developer. Develop a landing page in HTML, CSS and JS for my GenCode Academy. Okay, now this is a simple statement, right? Now in this I have given the tech stack. Now what I want is I want to give a little bit more context. It should be one page, one, so you can say it should be a one page, one section website with just academy name and contact details. Okay, now over here we will give some instructions that do not generate extra code or unwanted files. Give me only one index.html. That's it, right? So index.html. And Claude will do its work now. So it will create the artifact. On the right hand side, you will see the code is getting generated. Right now, I have not given like much of validations over here saying that create it in chunks or something. But when we are making our own website at that time, I will be giving all those details. So let it first create it. Let's see how it looks like. Sometimes it actually shows us the output also how it will look like. So let's see, let it complete, then we'll see how it works. Cool. So the landing page is ready, and you see that it just took like 1 minute for me to get this landing page created. So we are going to see how to make the dynamic website using Claude and ChatGPT. I hope so you are excited. From the next lecture, now we are actually start with our dynamic website creation using Claude and ChatGPT. See you in the next lecture.